Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Friday, September 7th, 2001, 8 am. The resources of the inner self are infinite. They are a potential world that does not know its own limits since it is connected to infinity. The incarnation of human nature is only a process towards man's perfection and unification with the whole. Man, in his fragility, cannot suspect which stake he is involved in. It is about a combat edifying in many respects and from which he must emerge victorious. All these considerations do not mean a thing to you. It is not easy for a human being to understand all the subtleties that govern the real meaning of a being's life on this earth. He, that is a human being, is only a minuscule dot in this boundless setup. How could he find his bearings beyond his own limitations? He is sometimes disconcerted by life on earth. He does not understand all its aspects and wonders about the meaning of his own existence. The best informed ones have reference marks related to the vagaries of the many reincarnations they went through. Building on these elements, they manage to grasp the importance of each return to life here below. They make sure that their existence is full of true values that will accompany them and form part forever of their history. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Does man ask himself the right questions? That is the question. The majority of individuals do not see beyond their current life and do not give it any special meaning. How, under these conditions, can one see their own life, pursue its course, and undergo it peacefully? To them, there is no satisfactory answers to the burden it, that is life, often represents. A human being informed of rules laid down in compliance with the divine laws can contemplate his life by considering it from a positive perspective. He can look at the many tests he must undergo from a different perspective, recognizing they are meant for his personal enlightenment. It takes a great deal of fortitude to arrive at this stage and stop rebelling against the bad strokes of fate. Having reached this stage of acceptance, man comes out of each ordeal with increased stature. This long process has its ups and downs and rebellion. May you, our dear aspirants, keep growing in wisdom and progress in real surrender which cannot be expressed in words. Babuji Maharaj.